SUNHUNK, the pioneer of intelligent self-dumping trucks in global cities. SUNHUNK U-shaped self-dumping truck KD-TA2-CK. With its outstanding performance and technological innovation, it is considered the market leader. Advantage 1, Intelligent Control, Smart Management. Border Collie, Intelligent Co-Driver. 360 degrees panoramic monitoring, anti-fatigue driving system, active safety assistance system, smart self-weighing system, one-time loading in place, no need to weigh again. Centralized lubrication system, maintenance-free, more worry-free. Advantage 2, compliance product, lightweight design. SUNHUNK X power hydraulic system, safer lifting, low center of gravity design, more stable driving. U-shaped carriage structure, new material slide system, smooth unloading, no rollover, high efficiency. Advantage 3, strong structure, all-weather operation. Diamond reinforced structure platform, strong structure, lightweight, resistant to swelling box. K450 high-strength wear-resistant steel, wear-resistant and anti-creation. GOT steel automated welding technology, machine vision inspection, intelligent manufacturing high standards. SUNHUNK, as the pioneer of intelligent self-dumping trucks in global cities, committed to providing efficient, reliable, and intelligent self-dumping truck solutions. More people choose SUNHUNK for Chinese dump trucks.